Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy STINO RWD back at y'all with another video. Back at it with Gamma Man JP and his Camaro. Yo. And we're gonna play his IG right here, but and his Camaro. He had asked me, y'all seen the race already or whatever, so he asked me to teach him how to use his paddle shifters in a racing situation. He already knows like the basic shit of how to use paddle shifters, so I might as well, you know, get a video in, teach him, while also teaching y'all type shit.
When I figure out how to do it, we're gonna run it back and see if there's a different outcome.
Nah, that's a bet. That's a bet. Alright, so right now, sport mode, third gear. Let's say for example we did a 40 roll yesterday. See how this shit popped up in about 4,000 RPMs? You wanna hold the 40 roll until you know the 3 beeps and shift right before 7,000 RPMs. So beep, beep, beep. Take off. Shift. You shift right before 7,000 RPMs. Now some cars, like my car, if I don't shift, it won't shift for me. But some cars, if you keep going, it's gonna redline and the whole car gonna stall out. I don't wanna redline your car because I'm not gonna do that to your car, but you just have to know what gear to be in, depending on the roll. 40 roll, most likely second gear. 60 roll, most likely third gear. Let me drop down again. Let me do a 20.
Dre told me you probably would have did second gear for the 40.
Second gear for a 40, right? It's just a way big difference. When you hold it in the high RPMs, the start is way faster than having it in drive. That's the catch to it.
That's the difference.
That's the catch. So that little jump right there, because you know in drive, it's doing the same thing in drive. As soon as you punch it, it drops down gears and then it goes. That takes too long before, you feel me, niggas do 1, 2, 3, go. You feel me? That's why you guys, you feel me, work on. See if I can do a 60 and third. You can even do a 60. Your gear's a little different than mine, so you can do a 60 in second. I'll turn this down. I'm gonna do it after this curve. This shit rides smooth. I like it. Should ride way more tighter than my car.
Is that a bad thing?
Nah, I mean, in terms of like performance and like handling and hitting corners, like you said, that's
like tight corners.
Yeah, tight corners. Yeah. So you can do a 40 roll in first gear. Your gears might be long as shit, and be able to do a 60 roll in second gear. Mine is the opposite. Mine is 1 up. That's third. Yeah, you can do a 60 roll in second gear. You can build up to 60. 60 right here. Shift. It's just that, you feel me? Just that extra boost being in a high RPM. Go ahead, slow down. That's third. I'm at 60 right now, drop it down again.
That's probably what it was.
That's what it, yeah.
My brakes is weird.
You could.
I don't know if it's the calipers, the actual brakes.
So, usually when you brake like that and it shake, could be the rotors. Probably the front rotors. Your shit downshift kind of sound good. Let me make a U right here.
My mom would fucking hate it if I got my motherfucking My mom would hate
You got
it.
to, bro. These Meros with a delete sound too good.
My mom would hate that shit.
I ain't wanna do a 20 roll in this bitch. See, right there, I kind of shifted a little late. A slight lag, I shifted a little late. But yeah, I'm trying to see you do it. I'm gonna pull over right here. Fuck your head is that? Pull over right here. There's enough space? Yeah. I want you to work on that now. It's kind of cool, y'all. I think it's my first time driving one.
I'm glad.
I think so. I don't think I ever drove my man shit. I didn't know that y'all had all these gauges down here. Got the oil temp, trans temp, battery voltage, oil pressure. Damn, just hella cars. And how you know that M is always straight manual mode, sport mode, and then if you hit the shifters. First gear. First gear, yeah. And then you can build up to 40. And then hit it. Shift. Yeah. Keep going. Shift. There you go, yeah. Yeah. So your 40 is first gear for real. But that first gear comes quick.
Yeah.
So you gotta make sure, it's fucking higher RPMs. Your 40 first gear is your 60 second gear. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you got it for real. You low key know what you was doing.
That's what I should have did.
Yeah,
I should have did
somebody. We can rerun it. Like the jump is just way more, you feel me?
Yeah.
You just get the instant power as soon as you fucking hit the gas. That's the only difference around. Sometimes what I do is I start off in you know, straight M mode, and then I switch it to drive.
Why do you switch it to drive?
Some people be doing that. Some people say that letting the engine do its own thing is faster. If you slow down right now, do a 40 roll, and then put it in drive and don't shift, it'll shift for you. And people say nah, you gotta hit it first. See what I'm saying? You gotta put it back, first gear. Hit it. Drive. You gotta do it in one motion, yeah. I gotta show you that more. But you gotta do it in one motion, you gotta hit it first, wait for it, and then put it in drive. Because you weren't full throttle. You gotta remember, in drive, if you're not full throttle, it is going to put you in the highest gear. Yeah. Yeah, some slight shit I be doing. Alright, y'all. I hope he took couple key notes down from this lesson, you feel me? And we gonna run it again. Y'all definitely gonna see it again on the 2 weeks, couple new videos. Y'all gonna see it. But go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit that bell down below. And I hope y'all have a good day. Trying to say something?
I'm gonna win the next one. Swear.
That's a bet. That's a bet. All right, y'all. Peace.